Hey, second grade. Uh-oh, I paused already. There I am. We're going to go over our sight words. This is Phonics lesson 92. What's this word? Several. Very good. Heard. How about this one? Government. Finally. Earth. Early. Usually. Learn. Animal, and America. Today we're going to do part 2 of the lesson that we did yesterday. This won't be a very long one. It's again review of that VCV pattern. Just to remind you really quickly, when you see the VCV pattern, the first choice is to have that division line after the vowel, accent the first syllable, like in the word baby. Now our second choice that we've just learned is after the consonant, which is going to make that vowel short sound. Okay, so we're going to talk about that again today. But first, let's go ahead and get our sound bank going. So let's do number 1. Repeat after me, dull. Good, it's a final stable syllable. Check with mine. All right, number 2. Number 2 is wah, like whale, wah. 2 letters represent this sound. W-H, W-H, wah, wah, wah. It's a question word. Don't forget your phonics dances. Next is I. Repeat. I, consonant E, comma I, or a Y in the final position of a one-syllable word. Number 4 is F. Repeat. Okay, go ahead and write it like fish, but don't forget your floss rule. F in the final position, 2 F's, because the floss rule states if it is a one short syllable word with a short vowel with ending in an F, L, or an S, you double it. Number 5 is J. Repeat. Go ahead and write it. Check with mine. J, comma G. Final position, DGE when following a short vowel. GE with everything else. Number 6, T. Repeat. Go ahead and write it. T, final position, TT, and suffix ED in the final position. Next sound I'd like you to repeat after me is owl. Repeat, owl. Long owl, good. Oop, I fibbed to you. It's, oh, that's right. I was trying to peek through the Post-it note. I did not do a very good job. All right, next is S. Repeat. You write all those different ways. S, comma C, floss rule SS, in that cedilla C following an E, actually, or an I or a Y. Next sound is D. Repeat. Go ahead and write it. There's a suffix. Suffix ED can say T, ed, or D. All right, and here's our review words. First review word is number 10. I got this in my eyeball. Number 10 is speed. Speed. Repeat. Okay, finger spell that out. S-P-E-E-D. Number 11 is straw. Straw. I drink out of a straw. All. All is represented by 2 letters in the final position, the A and the W. Okay. Number 12 review word is playful. Playful has suffix F-U-L. Play plus full is playful. To be full of play. Like puppies are full of play. Playful. The A-Y in the final position of play. Then add that suffix F-U-L. Our sight words Give me a minute to get all caught up on those. Our sight words today, number 13 is strange. Repeat. Go ahead and write. Strange. S-T-R, that S-T-R blend is fair. And then A-N-G-E, strange. Next is the word island. Repeat. Good. When I was little, I always said island to help me spell it. Island is spelled island, I-S-L-A-N-D. And number 15 is once, like once upon a time. Once. Looks like that. All right, we're going to skip the dictation sentence today and just get to it. Your high frequency word practice is on the back. Let's take a look at this word. Remember again, we're focusing in on that vowel, consonant, vowel pattern. Okay, the first thing I do when starting to code a word is taking a look at the final position. Is there any final stable syllables, any suffixes of any kind? And I don't see any. Then I look to see how many vowels I have. I have 1, 2, 3 vowels, and I have 1, 2 vowel sounds. Okay, what do we do when we have more than one vowel? We code vowel to vowel. So this vowel digraph, A-I, sounds like A, so that together is going to be our vowel sound. You only need one vowel for that. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and put that consonant S in there. So now we see the pattern. What is the pattern? Vowel, consonant, vowel. There's that digraph AI right there. Now we are going to go ahead and put that division line in the first choice right after the vowel and accent mark. Okay. Now we're going to breathe this second letter because there is a consonant following it. Voiced S follows a consonant. And let's see if we can read this word. Raisin. Raisin. Raise your hand if you like raisins. I do not like raisins. It's good if you like them. It's a good healthy snack. So you'll see these 2-syllable word, raisin. Okay? And remember your second option is after the consonant if we want that vowel to be short. So let's take a look at our worksheet today. And it's just another practice of the VCV pattern. So let's go ahead and pause the video, and I want you to try these on your own, okay? And then come back to me and we'll check together. All right, good luck, friends. All right, kiddos, welcome back. I hope for number 1, this was a toughie. You can see the vowel, consonant, vowel pattern there, very similar to raisin. It has a vowel digraph there. I forgot my accent mark. Mrs. Barhorst, get it in there. All right, that word is season. When an O sounds like a it's an upside down schwa. Okay, a season like fall, winter. For number 2, you should have also had a vowel, consonant, vowel pattern. It is divided after the consonant because side E didn't really make sense. So then I tried the division line after the consonant, made that I short, and it made a lot more sense. City with a cedilla C. Draw has that AW digraph. Slight has trigraph, IGHT. Circle, which has a picture, and I forgot, I'm sorry, city, you should have drawn a line as well. Circle has an IR combination. Final stable syllable, CLE. Make sure you K backed in there. You got your accent mark and your cedilla C because it's followed by an I. In number 6 is stage. The G is soft because it's followed by an E. After that long vowel A, stage. Okay, you read about meat today. Meat today. So we learned all about meat from this paragraph. Number 7, what do we get from a cow? It's right there. Beef comes from a cow. So I really hope you have beef. No room for a complete sentence, so I just wrote beef. Pork comes from a, right here it is in purple, pork comes from a pig. This was a pretty straightforward one. Way better questions than yesterday. And number 9, meat can cook in many ways. Well, right here in green, it can be cooked in many ways. So yes. So I hope you got all those correct answers. If you're a parent at home and you notice your kiddos struggling on this, please feel free to do part of the back, whichever they're struggling with, or the whole thing. All right? Well, happy Phonics Day. Good luck with the rest of your work. I'll see you guys.